Hey guys, welcome to Tool Deals again. Happy Memorial Day. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe with a little bell so you can receive notifications every time I upload a new deal, which is every day. So today I'm bringing you two new deals. The first one, it's this one. It's a Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3 inches compact cutoff tool. So it's a pretty long name, but this tool is amazing. This tool is pretty much like a mix between a Dremel tool and a circular saw. Okay, so this one, it can cut whatever you want. It can cut tiles, metal, wood, whatever. And it's how M12s are. They are really powerful, and this is a fuel, so that means that it's it has a brushless motor. Okay, so it delivers amazing power, and also the motor lasts a lot longer. Okay, and this one comes with a 4 amp hours battery, comes with a charger, comes with 2 blades, and it comes with this accessory tool, which pretty much serves as a guide, and also you can connect a vacuum here to extract all the dust, and also the bag. So as you can see, it's an amazing deal. Regular price is $200, but today it's even cheaper than this. I'm going to show you how to get it. So if you add it to cart, you do that, and then go to cart, and then you go here, and where it says add code, you click on there, and then you type the following number. You type 269021. Okay, so as you can see, it's 199 minus 50, so the total is 149. But if you apply this code, the total is going to be 129. So it's a really sweet deal. As you know, just the battery, it's $50. And this tool is super powerful. I'm going to show you a quick video so that you can see what it can do. I'm just going to show you just a little tiny part. You see, so it's a super useful tool. Whatever you want to do, it's amazing. Okay, so let's go to a second deal. This one. This is a high pressure inflator, which means that you can inflate your car's tires. You don't have to go to gas stations and pay like a whole dollar to inflate your tires every single time you need to do it. And especially, of course, this is like more than $1, of course, but every time that you need to go, it's a pain. Sometimes those machines are broken, and or the other alternative is to buy a compressor and hook it up. It might be a pain. I don't like compressors. Personally, I like using batteries. There is nothing wrong with having a compressor, but if you don't have one and you want to use to have an inflator, this is a perfect option. And this one has amazing reviews. I have this one. I have the older version. The older version, instead of having like a digital screen here, you used to have like those needles, that they move. This one was $36. Now it's $25. This one is for high pressure, which means that it delivers little air but at high pressure. For example, if you're looking to inflate an inflatable mattress, you would be better off with this tool. This one puts out a lot of volume, but this one is not for high pressure items. Okay, so for example, this tool, this one is both of them together. So it's a high pressure one, and this is a low pressure. So in this little device, you can, on one side, have high pressure and low pressure. Personally, I prefer the other one. I have both separately, because when you want to do one thing, you just want to carry it, carry on your hand. This one, you still can carry it easily, but it's a little bit more bulky and heavier. So I really like this one, for example, just to blow off dust and all that. But I'm not going to talk to you about this one because it's not on sale. I'll let you know when it's on sale. But this one is on sale. With this one, you can inflate bicycles and car tires and balls. Is for example, basketballs and soccer balls and even small inflatable toys. You know, it's perfect, especially since summer is coming. This is a really useful tool. If you've got the battery already, it's totally recommendable. Okay guys, so I hope that you guys like today's deals. Remember to give this video a like if you like the deals and subscribe. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.